Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and today I would like to teach you by request estate and one basic Bossa Nova pattern we can use to play the entire tune. So we're going to open up on a B minor 9, and then we're going to move that up to an E minor 7, and then to an F sharp 7 with a flat 13. We're going to go back to the B minor 9, and then we've got an E minor 7 like this, going to an A7 with a flat 9. And then we've got an A minor 7 to an A diminished, to a G major 7, to a G minor 7, and then an F sharp 13, to an F sharp 7, flat 13. And now we're going to do all that again with one difference. B minor 9, going to E minor 7, and now this second time I'm going to play an F sharp 7, sharp 11. And that's going to be the only difference, but it's a really cool variation that actually João Roberto does. So now we're going to go back to B minor 9, back to the E minor 7, to the A7 flat 9, then to A minor 7, A diminished, G major 7, G minor 7, F sharp 13, to the F sharp 7 flat 13, and now for the B section we've got a B major 9. Now I'm going to come up to an F minor 7 flat 5, to a B flat 7 with a flat 13, to an E flat minor 9, to an A flat 7 with a flat 13, to an E minor 9, to an A 13 with a flat 9. And then we're going to go back to that A minor 7, to the A diminished, to the G major 7, to the G minor 7, to the F sharp 13, and then to the F sharp 7 with a flat 13. And then we're going to do all of it over and over again. That's the entire form. But if you want to end, I like to end just on a B minor 9. I think it's great. You can just kind of vamp out on that. If you want the chord grids, iReal chart, and standard notation and tabs when available, it's all over on my Patreon, and you can find a link for that in the description and pinned comment below. So now the pattern that we can use for this entire tune is what I call pattern 1. It's like the foundation of Bossa Nova. And it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 So now I'm teaching it in 4, but I want us to feel it in 2. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, I just want to count 1 and 3. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Pretty much just try to feel your thumb, right? Your thumb is just right there on the A string. 1, 3, 1, 3. Or if you wanted to just feel it completely in 2, instead of counting 1 and 3, just count 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now, let's do the entire tune. If you're enjoying this lesson and want to go deeper, my course, How to Play Bossa Nova, The Essential Rhythm Method, is over 2 hours of step-by-step training on 10 core Bossa Nova patterns applied to classic songs like The Girl from Ipanema, Chega de Saudade, and Desafinado. You can find the link in the description or the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also leaving a comment below. Not only does it help with my exposure on YouTube, but it helps keep me super inspired to make future content just like this, which I've got a whole lot more coming out soon. So stay tuned, and again, please hit subscribe.